Allah tells us, أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنُّ الْقُلُوبِ. Indeed, in the remembrance of God do the hearts find peace and satisfaction. There's one thing that everybody wants. What's the one thing that everybody wants? Christian, Jewish, Muslim, atheist, agnostic. What does everybody want, essentially? Say it again. Happiness. Isn't that what everybody's seeking? The problem is they seek it in the wrong place sometimes. But we all want the same thing. We all want happiness. But where is happiness? Where do you find happiness? What is happiness? Allah tells us that happiness, true happiness, can only be found in His remembrance. And you can look for it anywhere else, you will never find it. In fact, Allah says, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكًا وَنَحْشُرُهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَعْمَى. Whoever turns away from my remembrance, for him will be a miserable, narrow life.